So 8/27 to the 2/3. Eight 27ths to the power 2/3. Is equal to 8 to the power 2/3 over 27 to the power 2/3. Now, what does the power 2/3 mean? Well, we can think of it as the cube root of the square or the square of the cube root. Generally, it's easy to think of it as the square of the cube root. So let's write that as 8, the cube root of 8 squared over the cube root of 27 squared. Now, the cube root of 8 is 2. So this is 2 squared over the cube root of 27, which is 3 squared, and so that is equal to 4/9. Okay, let's have a look at 225 over 289 to the 3/2. Now, we have 225 over 289, and this time, rather than the power 2/3, we've got the power 3/2. So, here we have, so this will be equal to, now, the 225 to the 3/2 over 289 to the 3/2. Now here, these fractional indices, on the bottom we've got a 2 and on the top we've got a 3. So this means the cube of the square root or the square root of the cube. It means the same thing, but again, to keep the numbers simpler, it's better to think of it as the cube of the square root. So this will be equal to the square root of 225 cubed over the square root of 289 cubed. Now, the square root of 225, you should recognise that and think that is 15. So we've got 15 cubed, and the square root of 289, you should know that that is 17. So we've got 15 cubed over 17 cubed. Now, if you really must, you could go ahead and work out what 15 cubed is. Let's work out what 15 cubed is. Well, it's going to be 225 times 15, isn't it? Okay, so that's 5 lots of 225 and 10 lots of 225. Well, 10 lots of 225 is going to be 2,250. And 5 lots of 225 is going to be half of that. So what's that going to be? 1,125. Add them together, and we get 3,375. So 15 cubed is 3,375. And 17 cubed, well, that's going to be 289 times 17. Now, a good way of thinking of that is to think it's going to be 20 lots of 289. Well, 2 lots of 289 are going to be 578. So that's going to be 20 lots is going to be 5780, and we're going to take away 3 lots of 289. Well, 3 lots of 229 is going to be, well, if you think of 289 as 300 take away 11, 3 lots of 289 is going to be 200. It's going to be 3 lots of 300 take away 3 lots of 11. So that's 900 take away 33, which would be 867. So now we've got to take away those, 80 take away 67 is 13. 57 take away 8 is 49. So 17 cubed is 4,913.